Okay, children. So we'll discuss life process worksheet. First question, children. Life process worksheet. First question. What is the first question, children? They have been which of the following is the correct equation for the photosynthesis. Children, we know photosynthesis occurs in presence of carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight. You will get C6H12O6 plus oxygen is liberated. Of course, water is also coming. Can anyone tell which is the correct option, children? A, C. Which is the correct option, children?
B, sir.
Yes, children. Which is the correct option? So everything occurs. Chlorophyll is also needed, children, in presence of sunlight. So, but the chlorophyll only traps the sunlight, children. So, which is the best option, children, in this given? Yes, children. Which is the correct option? D is the best option, children, because chlorophyll is also essential. Out of the given questions, compulsory we should write chlorophyll and exam, children. Exam service, no need, children, but in the given option, along with the chlorophyll, that is the best option. Products of anaerobic respiration in muscles are, children, when muscles are undergoing anaerobic respiration, what is liberated? Lactic acid. When muscles are undergoing aerobic respiration, what is liberated, children? Lactic acid, water, carbon dioxide, and energy. Is carbon dioxide liberated, children? No. Carbon dioxide is not liberated. Lactic acid plus energy is liberated. Lactic acid plus energy. Children, when muscle cells undergo anaerobic respiration, when you are doing the severe exercise, muscle cells unable to take the oxygen, unable to get sufficient oxygen, they start performing anaerobic respiration, muscle cells, and liberate lactic acid plus energy. Carbon dioxide won't come, children. Next, which of the following statements are true about respiration? During inhalation, ribs move inward. False. Ribs move outward. In alveoli, exchange of gases take place. Oxygen from blood into alveoli and air. In alveoli, exchange of gases takes place. That is true. Hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon dioxide. Wrong. Children, are you able to hear me? Kindly confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Alveoli increase the surface area of absorption of gases. True. So B and D both are correct. Which is the correct option, children? B and D. Fourth option is correct option. Fourth question, children. The main function of urinary bladder. What is the main function of urinary bladder, children? It stores the urine and controls the pressure of urine in the bladder. Okay, takes the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder, filter the blood, connects the part of executive system. Children, we can say controls the pressure, children, because urinary bladder, children, urinary bladder is both muscular and nervous. Do you remember, children? Urinary bladder is both muscular and nervous. It controls it. We can control the urge to urinate. Urinary bladder is muscular and nervous, so we can control the urge to urinate. Assertion and reasoning, children. Can anyone help me, children? First one, assertion. Aerobic respiration requires less energy compared to anaerobic respiration. Energy requires less energy. Okay, so mitochondria is the powerhouse of a cell. This is correct. Aerobic respiration requires less energy means not correct, children. Assertion wrong, reasoning correct. Which is the correct option, children? D. Okay, next one. So next one, human heart is four chambered. Is it true or false, children?
True, sir.
True, sir.
Reason. Vena cava is the only artery that supplies deoxygenated blood to the heart. Vena cava is the artery he's saying. Vena cava is it the artery, children? Vena cava is the vein. So reasoning is wrong. Assertion is correct. Reasoning is wrong. See, because vena cava is a vein, children. Vena cava is a vein. I hope you all remember, children. Vena cava is a vein. The thing which is coming here, that is vena cava is the large vein. Seventh question. Assertion. Seventh question, assertion, children. Energy is required to carry out different life processes. True. Without energy, we can't do any metabolic activities. Reasoning. Okay. Energy is obtained in the form of ATP in mitochondria. True.
True, sir.
Okay, children. So this energy only we use for doing work, children. Okay. This energy only we use for doing work. Okay. Energy is required. That energy is coming into mitochondria. Both reasoning is correct explanation of assertion. So A is the
Yeah.
option. Next. Can anyone tell the next one? Eighth one is missing. Ninth question. Dash enzyme digest starch. Which enzyme digests starch in the mouth?
Salivary amylase.
Salivary amylase. Very good. Salivary amylase. Can anyone tell what is the other name of salivary amylase? Tyalin. It is present in our mouth. Okay, children, tell the question. Which is the largest gland in the human body?
Liver.
Liver is the largest gland in the human body. Next question. List the difference between pepsin and trypsin. Children, what are the difference between pepsin and trypsin? Okay, children. Pepsin and trypsin, officially, they both will digest proteins on each other. They both digest proteins only, but pepsin is liberated by stomach and trypsin is liberated by pancreas. Okay, stomach, if you see, it will be looking like this. Pancreas will be like this. Pancreas will be like this. Okay, officially, they both help in digestion of proteins only, but pepsin is released by stomach and trypsin is liberated by pancreas. Next question. 12th question. Please see here, children. Name the following. The process in plants that links light energy into chemical energy. What is the process where light energy is
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis? Photosynthesis converts light energy into chemical energy. Photosynthesis. Next, organisms that can prepare their own food.
Autotrophs.
Autotrophs.
Autotrophs. Okay. Next, the cell organelle which where photosynthesis occurs.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast. The cell organelle where photosynthesis occurs is chloroplast. Okay. Next, cells that surround the stomatal pore are called cells that surrounded
Guard
stomatal
cells.
guard cells. Okay, children, guard cells. This is stomatal pore. Children, see here, all of you. Children, this is stomatal pore. Stomatal pore is surrounded by guard cells. Okay, guard cells are surrounded by epidermal
Cell
cells.
wall.
Guard cells are separated by epidermal cells. Next one, children. Okay. Next one. The cell. So organisms that cannot prepare their own food are called. Organisms that cannot prepare their own food are called
Heterotrophs.
heterotrophs. Organisms that cannot prepare their own food are called heterotrophs. Enzymes secreted from gastric glands in the stomach that acts on proteins.
Pepsin.
Pepsin.
Pepsin. What are the enzymes liberated by stomach? Anyone? Pepsin.
Then
Renin, lipase.
lipase.
Pepsin, renin, and lipase. Pepsin, renin, and lipase are secreted by stomach. Okay, children, pepsin and renin and lipase are secreted by stomach. Next one. How are alveoli designed? Children, I already told you in last class. How are alveoli designed? Can anyone say they have very, very thin membrane?
For
They have-
easy exchange of gases.
For easy exchange of gases, they are very thin membrane, thin walled. They are very
More
thin
in number.
walled. Very good. They are more in number. And last one,
Contain wall.
Blood supply, sir. Blood supply.
more blood supply. More blood supply. How are alveoli designed? Means they have thin membrane. They are more in number and they have more blood supply. These are the things. Next. Write to water conducting tissues present in plants. How does water continuously enter into the root system? Write two water conducting tissues. How water continuously enter into root system? Two conducting water conducting tissues is only one is there, children. One is
Xylem.
xylem. Other one is we can take root, children. Through the roots only they will enter. How roots will exchange the water with the soil?
Sodium and potassium ions it will exchange.
Yeah, sodium and potassium ions roots will give to the soil, and from the soil, water will enter into the
Through osmosis.
roots. Through osmosis, water enters into the roots through osmosis, and they enters into the xylem, and they goes to all parts of the plant. Through xylem, water will enter. Okay, children. Next, explain why plants have low energy needs. Can anyone tell? Because
They do not move.
do not move and they do not need food. Why? They can
They can
prepare
prepare
their own
on
food.
their own.
They can prepare their own food. That's why they need not to move in search of food and shelter. So therefore they require less energy. Okay, children. Next one. Next one. Anyone children answer? What is peristalsis? Anyone?
So that's the rhythmic
Rhythmic
contractions of the
rhythmic contraction and relaxation.
Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of
uterus.
Esophagus.
esophagus.
Okay,
relaxation of contraction and relaxation of esophagus. Contraction and relaxation of esophagus. Contraction and relaxation. This is esophagus. Contraction and relaxation of esophagus is called peristaltic movements. What is the use of peristaltic movement? It moves the food into the stomach. Okay, peristalsis. What will happen if diaphragm will get ruptured in an accident?
A person cannot breathe and
Breathe.
dies.
A person cannot do
Breathe
breathing
and made-
activity properly. They cannot because the diaphragm helps in breathing movements. Diaphragm helps in breathing movements. Next question. Next question. Children, please see the next question. What is the next question I have given? What are the difference between aerobic respiration from anaerobic respiration? I told you so many differences. We have made one video also on this. What are the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration, children? Aerobic respiration occurs
Aerobic
presence in
Presence
oxygen.
of
Presence of oxygen.
in presence of oxygen.
Absence of
Absence of
oxygen.
More energy is liberated in aerobic respiration.
38
38 ATP, 2 ATP.
2 ATP.
2 ATP. More
exchange of
energy.
gases takes place.
Less energy.
energy. Glycolysis and Krebs cycle are present, but here only glycolysis. Krebs cycle is not present. That's why 36 ATPs won't come children because glycolysis is common step for both of them, and all cells are examples. And the cells which undergo anaerobic respiration, bacteria,
Bacteria.
Muscle cells,
blue-green algae,
yeast,
muscle cells, yeast are some of the best examples of anaerobic respiration. Okay, children. Difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration will be perfect, children. Many times in board exam they have asked this question. Okay. Next, describe the process of urine formation in the kidneys. So, children, this is your Bowman's capsule. This is descending convoluted tubule. This is Henry's lobe. This is ascending convoluted tubule. This is collecting duct. This is afferent arteriole. This is efferent arteriole. This keeps on coiling around this, children. This keeps on coiling around this again. This keeps on coiling around this. Keeps on coiling around this and goes out. Please put the bridges. If you don't put the bridges, your marks I will cut, children, because these bridges will increase the surface area of reabsorption of water. Many people are not putting these bridges, children. The bridges will connect them, children. Okay, so here blood is filtered. The filtration of blood under high pressure is called
Ultrafiltration.
filtration of the blood under high pressure is called ultrafiltration. Here blood is filtered from artery here into the bonus capsule. Blood is filtered. The filtered blood goes like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. By the time here it comes, it becomes urine. What is happening here? What is happening here?
Selective
reabsorption.
Fantastic. Here, selective reabsorption. What is selective reabsorption means what?
Reabsorbing all the materials from the
Which are important from the blood are reabsorbed back into the body. Which are important in the blood are reabsorbed back into the body. And tubular secretion, whatever is not useful, that all things are secreted into collecting that. This is urine. So blood is coming here. By the time blood comes here, it becomes urine. Here, what is happening is, children, selective reabsorption. What is selective reabsorption? Whatever is important present in the blood, our body nephrons will take it back. They won't leave it because blood is important. We can't afford to lose the blood in the form of urine, children. From the blood, all the wastes are removed, and impurities goes in the form of urine. Okay, impurities goes out in the form of urine. So blood is filtered in nephrons. Blood is filtered in nephrons. Exchange of gases takes place in lungs, alveoli. Here also same children. Nephrons have thin walls, many number, more blood supply. Same like alveoli, nephrons also. Nephrons are functional units of kidneys. Alveoli are functional units of lungs. Okay, next one, children. Draw a sectional view of human heart. The children, just I'm drawing, children. Actually, real structure, you know how to draw, children. I have shown in video also. This is right auricle. Never write any short forms. This is left auricle. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. And here superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. And from here, pulmonary artery will take the lungs. Pulmonary vein will bring the pleura, and aorta will take the. This is pulmonary vein. This is pulmonary. Aorta will supply pure blood. First question: chamber of the heart that pumps out deoxygenated blood.
Left ventricle.
Very good. That is pumping deoxygenated blood into
Pulmonary artery.
pulmonary artery is taking it to
Lungs.
who is pumping left ventricle.
Left ventricle.
Left ventricle is pumping deoxygenated blood into pulmonary artery into the lungs. Left ventricle is pumping deoxygenated from pulmonary artery into the lungs. Second question, children. Please check the question. I have sent the picture. The blood vessel that carries away oxygenated blood.
Aorta.
Aorta carries oxygenated blood from left ventricle to
Right.
All the parts of the body.
All.
Aorta takes oxygenated blood from left ventricle to all parts of the body. Aorta takes oxygenated blood from left ventricle to all parts of the body. Next one. Blood vessel that receives deoxygenated blood from lower part of our body.
Inferior vena cava.
Who will bring deoxygenated blood?
Inferior
Inferior
vena cava.
vena.
Deoxygenated blood is taken by inferior vena cava and kept into right auricle. Please mute your audios. Deoxygenated blood is taken by inferior vena cava from lower parts of the body that is put into right auricle. Deoxygenated blood, inferior vena cava, right auricle. And part that prevents backward flow of blood.
Valves.
Valves.
Please mute your audios, children. Someone is getting a lot of disturbance. Here, tricuspid valve, here bicuspid valve, children. Those who did not understand, please hear again, children. Here we have tricuspid valve, here bicuspid. It's two valves here, three valves are there here. So what are these called? Tricuspid. What is this? Bicuspid. And aorta also will have valves, children. Aorta will also have valves. Pulmonary artery also will have valves. The valves present in aorta and pulmonary artery are called anyone? What are the valves present in pulmonary artery and aorta are called anyone? What are the valves present in pulmonary artery and aorta are called anyone? What are they called, children? Anyone? The valves present here are called semi-lunar valves. Four valves are present. One is here, one is here, one is in pulmonary artery, one is in aorta. One is here, one is here, one is in pulmonary artery, one is in aorta. Four valves. Here, tricuspid, bicuspid, semilunar valves. They all prevent backward flow of blood. What are they, children? Tricuspid, bicuspid, semilunar valves. One is present in pulmonary artery, one is present in aorta. All of them, what is the function of valves? To prevent backward flow of blood. That is how we have to do, children. This is worksheet on life first.